This message is transmitted at the request of the Sony Interactive Entertainment and the Sega Corporation. Something is going on with Sonic 3 PlayStation port. People play a game called Childhood.Q. Main storyline. The storyline begins with the player discovering a PS1 ROM on an internet forum and deciding to launch it on an emulator seeking fun. Upon starting, the game quickly turns sinister, trapping the player in a nightmarish version of a Sonic-like world referred to as Hell. To progress, players must solve puzzles and avoid malevolent creatures, creating a tense gameplay environment that merges platforming challenges with horror suspense. The game also features subtle narrative hints, secrets, and interactive elements that gradually reveal the story's dark undercurrents. Regarding Childhood.Q, the game indeed contains a hidden or secret element referenced multiple times. However, the search results and sources provided do not explicitly disclose what the secret is, hidden files or data in the ROM. Easter eggs triggered by a sequence of in-game actions. Alternate endings, messages, or items behind optional obstacles. Hints for discovery. Examine the game's file system inside the ROM, if using an emulator that allows dumping files. Explore unused areas or unconventional sequences in-game.